Hey team, it's day number 1 for our bedroom renovation. So we've got 4 days to get this done. We were hoping to have it done Thursday evening because we've got guests coming. Yep, so we've got a few things to do. First of all, I've put pencil on all the...
Pencil this time?
Yes, pencil this time. That was a stupid, stupid thing I did. Do not put pen on walls and try paint over them. So... I've already put the pencil on, and what I need to do now is go ahead and plaster wherever I've put the circles for me to do it, and then we'll come along tomorrow and we'll sand and we'll put the first coat down. Now the colour we've gone is pretty interesting. So
can't wait to see it.
Yeah, so we've went with Baltic Sea and it looks amazing. We've kept it a bit of a secret from Instagram. Everyone's guessing blue. I think it was about like 70% of people guessed blue for the room, but we've gone grey. So yeah, we've gone bold with, we're going to be doing the whole room. Exciting, exciting. Let's see how we go. This is what the circles look like when I reference the circle drawing. So it's nothing major. You can see like one there. Few on the walls over there. Yeah, it's probably quite hard to pick them up on the camera. It's basically just where there's like dips and dints. So you circle it and then you come back and you circle more. That's basically the process, and then you sand it all off. Okay, all done. Our guest bedroom is now a Dalmatian. Spottier than a teenager. Cool. That's going to come up really nicely tomorrow. We just have to make sure that it's nice and smooth, so when we do go ahead and put the grey on, it's not too noticeable, all the dints in the wall. Okay, it is Tuesday evening. Mooch is just here masking up the window frame. How's it going, Mooch?
Right, very dusty.
Yeah. We've just sanded the walls here, so they're looking pretty sharp. Frankie is here with us, of course, having a good time. So all we need to do now is finish off taping up these window sills, and then we're good to go. We don't have to worry so much about the door frame and the architraves because we're going to be replacing those.
Hey!
Yeah. We're good. Frankie likes to eat bloody everything.
What you got?
It's a bit of tape there, lovely.
What you got?
Sweet, guys. Here it is, guys. Yes.
There it is.
She's looking good. Looking very good.
So cool. Makes the room look way bigger.
Yeah, I'm quite happy with how it makes the roof. The roof looks way higher than it. Well, it's a high roof already, but it looks way higher with this colour.
Get in there.
Here it is, first coat is on. This room looks huge compared to what it did when it was lighter. It's funny how they always say with darker rooms it makes the room feel a lot smaller. Not the case at all, especially when you have giant roofs like these. This room feels way bigger than it was. Papa. She is destroying everything. Look, this is the state of how we're living at the moment. Room to room to room. And Frankie is taking full advantage of it. Oh God, here she is. Frankie, leave. Leave that. Oh look, and she's got paint on her ear there. No, no. Frankie, don't do it. Jeez. Yeah. Overall, pretty productive evening. It's way more fun painting with dark because you can see it just slap on and it looks amazing. Really, really, really happy that we made the choice to go this colour. I can't wait to put the alabaster on that on the window behind me, and also that cupboard, the cupboard back there and the door. It's going to look great. It's going to look great. It's all coming together quite nicely. On track. Hello team and happy Wednesday. So Georgia and I are back in the spare bedroom. We have, what have we done, Mitch? We've painted the first coat on the ceiling. I am just taping up the edges here and finishing those off, and they're looking good. Georgia's over there. Mooch, say hi.
Hi.
Here's Mooch, and Mooch is saying hi. So she is just, what are you up to, Mooch? What do you got there?
It's not working.
Yeah, I don't think that's the right tool for the job. Mooch.
Yeah, it is.
She's saying she thought that an Allen key was the same as a square head screwdriver. Not the case. So she's just taking those handles off and she's going to paint those. And what's even more exciting is that we ordered the carpets today. So that's very exciting. By the way, Mitch, we ordered the carpet today. Fun.
I'm running my backwards. Not in.
Yeah, press the button. 8 fingers there. Yeah. Guys, Mooch is using power tools. Did it work? Yeah?
No.
Happy Thursday team! So we haven't finished the room, but we're stopping here. My parents are literally here to stay. So we've called it quits and we'll pick it back up next weekend when they're not here. So we've got to rip up the skirtings, rip up the architraves, replace them. The scotias will be done in a few months when we have the moolah to do it. Carpet's coming in about 3 weeks, but we've decorated it in the meantime and it's looking pretty sharp. Come in and have a look around. So we also need to paint these window surrounds and the pelmets up here. What else do we need to do? I would like another coat on the walls just to make sure it's all slick. But yeah, we're really, really happy with this colour. The Resene range is always just bang on.